Good morning everyone, myself Sandeep Pake, Assistant Professor in Commerce. Now I am going to present a lecture on the topic Deduction under Section 80 GGB, 18 GGC, 80 TTA. We shall see one by one. A question may be asked for 6 marks or 12 marks in the examination. Please see point number 13A, Deduction under Section 80 GGB. Contribution by an Indian company to political parties. Contribution by an Indian company to political parties. Donation to political parties by an Indian company is allowed as deduction under Section 80 GGB from gross total income. If a company donates to political parties, then they can claim deduction under Section 80 GGB. Next, deduction under Section 80 GGC. Contribution by assessee other than company. 100% deduction available for contribution to registered political parties only. This deduction applicable to those assessee other than company, namely individual, Hindu undivided family, partnership firm, cooperative society, whomsoever it may be. If they donate any sum of amount to registered political party, they can claim deduction under Section 80 GGC. Please note this one. Donation in cash not eligible for deduction. Okay, donation in cash not eligible for deduction. ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಚೆಕ್ಕಿನ ಮೂಲಕ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ DDA ಮೂಲಕ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ನೆಫ್ಟಿನ ಮೂಲಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 15A, ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 80 TTA. This deduction relating to interest on saving bank account. Applicability for individual and Hindu undivided family if assessee below 60 years. Assessee below 60 years. Maximum deduction rupees 10,000. Interest earned on savings bank account from a nationalized or scheduled bank or cooperative bank or from post office are eligible for deduction. Please note this one. Post office SB account interest is exempt up to rupees 3,500 in individual account and rupees 7,000 in a joint account under Section 10 subsection 15(1). Understand? These are some information relating to deduction under Section 80 GGB, 80 GGC, 80 TTA, assessee below 60 years. 15B, deduction under Section 80 TTB. 80 TTB. Interest on saving bank account in case of assessee is senior citizen. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ assessee senior citizen ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ interest on SB account ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 80 TTB ನಲ್ಲಿ. Applicability, a senior citizen. Quantum of deduction maximum rupees 50,000. Maximum deduction rupees 50,000. Interest earned on savings bank account from a nationalized or scheduled bank or cooperative bank or from post office are eligible for deduction. Understand? Next question. Explain the provision relating to deduction under Section 80U. A question may be asked for 6 or 12 marks in the examination on this section. Please see point number 16. Deduction under Section 80U. If an assessee is with a disability then he can claim deduction under section 80U, person with disability. Please see the explanation. If a resident individual is a person with disability, he can claim deduction under section 80U. A person with disability means a person with blindness, low vision, mental disorder, autism, multiple disabilities, etc. Amount of deduction, maximum deduction can be claimed under this section. While computing the total income of a resident individual with disability, person with disability means maximum 40%, but up to 80% in case of general disability. If disability exceeds 40% but does not exceed 80%, then it is said to be person with disability. A fixed deduction of rupees 75,000 is allowed under section 80U. If the resident individual is a person with severe disability, person with severe disability means if the disability percentage exceeds 80%, then it is said to be person with severe disability. A higher amount of deduction is allowed, rupees 1,25,000. This deduction is available whether it is spent or not. Normally, while computing deduction under section 80U, we have to take into account flat amount by considering the disability. Whatever amount spent on treatment of this disability shall be ignored. These are some information relating to deduction under section 80U. Thank you.